Good morning, everybody. It's March 30th. This is Drew at Trinity Bees. So I just wanted to update y'all. I actually recorded a bunch of stuff on our new GoPro. We got a GoPro, but what actually happened is I didn't realize the whole 4K issue with the formatting and whatnot has some issues with processing with the video editing software that I use. So I had to downgrade all that, and all that footage is pretty much lost because I don't feel like having to pay to convert it. And I tried converting in a few ways, but anyways, just wanted to let y'all know we got the GoPro. And so today's video is shot at 2.7K, 60 frames per second. Hopefully you enjoy it. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully the sound quality is good. You'll be able to see some really cool bee shots, time warps and whatnot. But enjoy the video. God bless. Good morning, everybody. It's March 30th, about 10 o'clock. We are at Spencer's grandfather's house. Dad's here with me today. We're gonna just check on this hive. We're not gonna do too much. We might mark the queen if we see her. But today, filming on the GoPro. Look at the bees. This hive looks really, really healthy. I'm gonna let Dad do all the inspection today so I can just record. We don't have a queen excluder on this one either, so that's something we're gonna have to watch for, see if they got brood in the top nest or not. Yeah, they're really healthy. Not really seeing any hive beetles. So even though we don't have a queen excluder, typically bees, she won't lay eggs in the top unless absolutely necessary. And there are a couple hive beetles in the back. Not too bad though. They're glued tight. They're glued tight. That's all, looks like all nectar, huh?
Some drones. Yeah, it's all nectar. She's not going to be up here.
I might not have to even go through all of them. Just pull the top box off.
All nectar. A lot of drones. A lot of drones.
Really?
See them?
Oh yeah, right there.
Right here. Right here. And when you see 3 drones on one side of a small frame, you want to just go to the second spot?
Yeah.
Okay, let me move this out of the way.
Cat brood all at the bottom, so we know we have a laying queen. She's probably not going to be on that frame. I'm going to go ahead and just set a time lapse while we do the rest of this inspection until we see a queen. so we did not find the queen. We're not going to worry about it too much because we're going to have to come back and do something with these bees eventually. She's in there definitely. They also have what, about 4 or 5 queen cells, Dad?
Oh,
at least.
these.
So which means they're getting ready to swarm. They have a lot of bees. Most likely the first queen that'll hatch out might kill all the other ones, depending on if it's a she plans on taking over, or a lot of different things that could happen. But we're planning on using some of these queen cells in order to make some more hives and more splits. It's a good spot for these bees though. I mean, when you see the bees covering the top of a super like this, it's pretty impressive. We are now at Spencer's in-laws, checking on this hive. I think Spencer said they had one of their friends checked on it for us. This is a really big inner cover. Why did they flip it over like that? It's a lovely inner cover. Got bees in the super. Yeah, so we deal with those probably a little bit of ants. Horrible, but no queen excluder. But she's not up here. I don't believe she would be.
Very light.
Hold that. If the string goes out, just tap it with your finger.
There's some larva there that's not good.
That's a drone larva. Survived the winter. I just don't know how. It's not a lot of bees. No eggs there. I don't know why we. Oh, we gave them a super for food. That's what it is. That makes sense. Alright, so she has cap brood.
I see pupa.
Yeah, there's some larvae at the bottom. A lot of larvae right here. It's really windy over here. They're acting like she's right here somewhere.
Yeah, I saw the fanny. I saw this one.
Each other. There she is. Right there. So that's our queen. So she was actually in the top super. So I'm gonna set that down real gentle. I'm gonna watch where she goes. I'm gonna catch her and mark her today. Going to the other side.
She's bashful, like most queens.
Waiting for her to climb up so I'll squish her. Okay. So she is now in there. You can see her. So I'm just slowly gonna push her up. She's gonna try to get out and caught her.
Total of 7 minutes and 40 seconds. We got her marked.
Let her dry off for a second. She's a pretty queen. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna push her back down to the bottom, so we don't have to do that at a later date. We'll let these bees hatch out in here. Won't be a problem. Close all this back up. We're gonna space these apart and put an empty frame in between. Sometimes that just encourages them to draw out these frames. I want them to start building their brood nest at the bottom rather than in the honey super like they had done already. All right, back at the horse farm this week. We're coming to check on that split we made to see if that queen cell has developed or hatched or what's going on. Just to give you a view of everything else as well. These hives are doing excellent. Today we're gonna remove those entrance reducers. I don't know why I didn't do that last time, but they have a lot of bees. These should be our good honey producers this year. So the good news on this split is the bees actually stayed. They didn't go back to the original hive. They shouldn't be that aggressive. Queen cells on this one.
Want to go straight to that one?
Yeah. Gosh, that little ants. Flip it over. Okay, so flip it back. Queen cell was right here. So that means nope, I lied, it's over here.
They're tending it.
Yeah, and then is it capped over all the way? Yeah, it's capped over. So that's good. Should we leave those other two? That's the question.
I'll be back here during the week to run
These
heat
two, you know what I'm
triggers.
saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, check on it then.
Actually, there's 3.
That's what I was saying. The two right on the side of each other. So that's good. We have a fully capped queen cell, and they have a lot of capped brood, so they should all hatch out pretty close to the same time.
Drone.
Perfect. That should be a successful split. So I remember last time I mentioned on camera that we had a lot of blackberry bushes. I'm gonna show y'all that again. All of that is blackberry bushes. Pretty much the whole way we walked up here, that's what we saw. Also, it's all the chicken trees, a lot of just wildflowers. Well, the bees should really do well with the blackberry bushes that we have. And I'm excited just to eat the blackberries. It's gonna be beautiful. There you go. Now we can actually see the bees working it. And once in a while you'll see them pop up. Try to see if I can see one that's close and get to y'all to view that. There we go. Look at that. She's working the bees. Busy worker bees. She goes to every little flower. Awesome. Dad was just removing the insurance reducers. There's Spencer's hive tool. So look at that. Spencer actually does do some work. At least his hive tool does. Wow, that's pretty.
Pollen, okay.
These 4 and a half hives right now should produce really well for us this year. Dad's gonna come treat them this week. He just bought a generator and an extra thermal unit to treat the bees, so he'll be coming to do that this week. I'll probably send him with a camera if he agrees to do that. But anyways, all right, this is Drew Leger with Trinity Bees. My dad, Tommy Leger. Just signing off here. Subscribe to the channel, like the channel. We'll be posting a lot more videos this coming spring. We got a lot going on. We got some hive treatments coming up. We got some splits coming up. So stay tuned for that. Let us know if you want to see something specific, and we'll try to get that out to you. All right, God bless.